If you've been carrying stress for so long that tension has started to feel normal, this series is an invitation to breathe differently. Over these next few minutes, you do not need to force calm, solve the future, or hold everything together. You are simply invited to soften the pressure your nervous system has been carrying. And remember that steadiness does not come from tightening against life, but from learning how to move with it more gently. Stress has a way of speeding everything up. The mind moves faster, the breath becomes shallow, the body stays alert. Even moments of rest can begin to feel rushed. And after a while, life starts to feel like something you are constantly trying to catch up with. One more task, one more responsibility, one more thing to manage before you can finally breathe. But the nervous system was never meant to live at that pace indefinitely. Human beings are rhythmic creatures, like tides, like seasons, like waves arriving and retreating along the shoreline. And healing does not happen through force. It happens through rhythm, through repetition, through gentle signals of safety repeated over time. So for the next few minutes, you do not need to rush yourself. You do not need to race toward calm. You are simply invited to breathe like the tide. Begin by noticing the surface beneath you. Steady, supportive, holding you without urgency. Allow the eyes to soften, the jaw to loosen, the shoulders to lower even slightly. And now, gently notice the breath as it already is. No need to control it yet. Just observing the natural movement of inhale and exhale, like water moving slowly toward shore, then easing back out again. A quiet rhythm, a pattern, a return. The body responds to rhythm because rhythm communicates safety. Again and again, the tide arrives. Again and again, the tide retreats. Nothing forced, nothing rushed. Chronic stress teaches the nervous system to live in urgency, always preparing, always anticipating, always moving toward the next thing. And over time, that urgency can begin to feel normal, as though slowing down might be unsafe. But healing rarely comes through intensity. The nervous system settles through repetition. Steady breath, predictable rhythm, moments of pause return to again and again, like waves shaping stone over time, not through force, but through consistency. Your body does not need perfection to begin softening. It only needs enough moments where it no longer feels chased by life. Let that truth settle gently within you. Now begin gently lengthening the breath. Not dramatically, just enough to create a softer rhythm. Breathing in slowly, as though the tide is rolling toward the shore, and breathing out a little longer, as though the sea is slowly retreating again. In and out. Again, slow arrival, slow release. Allow the exhale to soften the body, the chest loosening, the stomach relaxing, the nervous system beginning to realize that this moment does not require urgency. There is nowhere else you need to be right now. Nothing you must immediately solve. Only this breath. Only this rhythm. Notice now how the mind responds when the breath slows. Perhaps thoughts become quieter. Perhaps the body feels heavier. Or perhaps part of you still feels restless. That's okay. The nervous system learns slowly, like the shoreline gradually shaped by years of tides. Not through one perfect moment, but through gentle repetition. Again and again, the breath returns. Again and again, the body receives the message. You are safe enough to slow down now. Silently, gently, you might say, I do not need to rush myself through life. Again, I can move at the pace of my own breath. Feel the steadiness within those words. Imagine standing beside the sea early in the morning, the shoreline quiet, the tide moving steadily beneath the soft gray light of dawn. Nothing hurrying the water forward, nothing forcing it back. The sea trusts its rhythm, and perhaps your body is longing to remember its own rhythm too. Not the rhythm of pressure, not the rhythm of constant urgency, but the slower rhythm that allows breath, clarity, presence, and steadiness to return. You were never meant to live as though every moment is an emergency. As this practice comes to a close, notice the feeling of slowing down internally, even slightly. Notice the difference between pressure and rhythm, between rushing and breathing. Take one slow breath in and a long, gentle breath out, and carry this truth with you. Stress teaches the nervous system to live in constant urgency. But healing begins when you stop forcing yourself to move faster than your own capacity. The tide does not rush to become the sea. It simply returns, again and again, to its natural rhythm. And you are allowed to do the same, to breathe slowly, to move gently, to live at a pace your nervous system can finally trust. If this space helped you feel even slightly more grounded today, you're always welcome to return here. And if you'd like to continue practicing steadiness, softness, and emotional resilience together, you can subscribe and come back to this harbor whenever you need it. Until next time, take care of yourself, breathe gently, and stay steady.